Question, it is given that a person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopters for correcting his distant vision. For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length? Okay. What is the focal length of the lens required for correcting? Number 1 is given distant vision, and number 2, that means B, is given near vision. So we have to find out the distant vision and near vision. So I have written down here is this one, to correcting distant vision. So given that is power of the lens that is used for correcting distant vision. So this equal to what? This equal to given this one, you see. This one, okay, minus 5.5 diopters. Unit is diopter, so you write this one here, minus 5.5 diopter. That is also known as P. P means power of a lens. Okay, P, power of a lens. You can write D. This you can write comma, then write D. And focal length of this one is not given. This one, you see, focal length of the lens required for correcting. What is the focal length? So we have to find out the focal length also. It is not given. Okay, you write question marks there. So now we know this one. Now you see, now P equal to what? That means power of a lens. This equal to what? 1 by F. That is what? In meter. That is unit. Okay, so this implies, you can write this one. This implies what? We need this one F. So we have to find out this one F here. Bring it this one here. Then it will give what? 1 by P. Okay, so now put the value from there. Okay, so 1, then value of P, this equal to what? This one. So you write this one here, P, that is here given. So you write this one. Okay, so this will be minus 5.5 diopter. Okay, so this implies, that means this equal to, you can write now. If you write F, then you write implies. If you not write, then just write equal here. Then this equal to what? Divide this one here. Okay, dividing this one means it will give what? The minus, then 1 0 will go there, then 5 will come there, that is minus. Okay, that means what? You see, 1 by 5.5, that is minus is there. So this equal to, you can write 1 by minus 5. This one, remove this one. For point value it will come 1, then after point how many number are there? 1 number, then that many 0 will be here, only 1 0. Then it will what? Multiply this one. Okay, then this will reciprocal one. Then numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So this will come what? 10 by 55 minus. Okay, so this is the value of this one. This is the value of this one. Okay, be careful. And this equal to what? After dividing this one, we will get minus 0.181 meter. Okay, so now we have got one answer from there. That is what? You can write therefore, what is that? The focal length, LENGT, is length of the lens, okay, lens for correcting yes, distant vision is what? Is this one? Yes, minus 0.181 meter. So you can write this one approximate 1.8. That means minus 0.18 meter also. So that is your answer. So first question answer we have got now. For the second part, that is given what? And now near vision. So you write down here B. There also same write your solution of question answer B. So that is given for correcting near vision. Given what? For correcting near vision. Okay, so this will what? Then given, what is given as per question? It is given that P equal to what? Power of the lens. This equal to given what? See, For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. So you have to write this one there. P equal to plus 1.5 diopter. So diopter you can write only D also. So F is not given focal length, so you have to find out this one. So now we know that, therefore you can write F equal to what? 1 by P. Okay. So this equal to what? 1 by P means what here? See, P equal to what given? This one is given. So just write this one plus 1.5 there, plus 1.5 diopter. So this equal to give what? Okay, transfer this one there. This equal to what? Then remove this one like previous one. For point value 1 will come. Then after point how many number are there? 1, 0 will come. That means it will make 10. 10 into 1, this equal to 10. So 10 will come there. Then downside will be what? 1, 5, because we have already transferred this one. What? Okay. So this equal to what? You can write this one. Plus will come as plus. Here also you can write plus. No need to write. Of course, if you want to write, then you write this one. Then plus 0.667 meter. So this approximate is what you can write this one. Okay. Therefore you can write the focal length of the lens for correcting you write near vision is plus 0.667 meter, or you can write, or this one approximate you can write plus 0.67 meter. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, so second question answer we have got now. So you have learned this one also. Question is given, the far point of a myopia person is 80 cm in front of the eye. Okay, so what is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? So this is your question. So in this question I have written this one. Here given is what? The person is suffering from myopia. So as per question that is given there, in this defect what happened? The far point of the person is nearer than infinity. Yes, you know this one. So also the image is from in front of the retina. So be careful. Sometimes this question also used to come. Okay. So therefore a concave lens is used to correct this defect vision, because what happened? Lens of suitable power should be used to produce the object appear at infinity. So that is the symbol of infinity. Yes. And distinctly, that is what? Beyond 80 cm. So here given is what? So we have to find out the object distance. So object distance is infinity. Okay, infinity is given, and image distance is V. V means minus 80 cm centimeter, and focal length is not given. You have to find out the focal length from the question. Okay. Okay. Now according to the lens formula, what we will get this one? Use the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Then this equal, put the value. V value is what? Minus 80. So you write there, and U value is what? Infinity. So you write there infinity, and F value is not given. We have to find out this one. This is our work. Okay. Then after this one, we will get this one. Okay. Then do cross multiplication. Okay. For your betterment, I solved this one here also. And we have got the value of F. This equal to what? That is small f, not capital F. Capital F means focus. This one is focal length, minute. This equal to what? Minus 0.8 meter. So centimeter we are just changing to, that means convert to meter. So converted, after converting meter we will get this one. Okay. So again power, P equal to what? 1 by F, we know this one in meter. Then just divide this one, put the value F there. F equal to what? Minus 0. This one. Yes, just you write there. Okay, from here to here you write this one, we have got. So we are getting this one minus 1.25 diopter. So in this case you remember, so a concave lens of power minus 1.25 diopter is required by the individual to correct the defect. mind it, because if asking the reason, you write the reason. Reason is that the negative, you write the negative power indicates, this is the negative power, so this indicating what, that the required lens is always concave lens. So be careful. So this is your second part answer. Hope you can able to solve this part also very easily. Okay, then I want to show this one for your data. So this is, you see, just I am showing this one, you see. So if you feel fresh problem, then you just check this one. And the last question, just I have shown here, that is also not harder one. Here given draw the diagram also. So I have solved this one here. Just you check here and write the answer.